it is clear how differently different sizes of fuel burn. Leftmost is a small amount of microemulsified fuel, microemulsified diesel. The next one from the left is a small amount of normal diesel. The third one is a large amount of microemulsified diesel, and the rightmost is a large amount of normal diesel. So basically several points to be made is air is constant, just vary the fuel. We vary the amount of fuel like in a diesel engine. So basically, well, the air is relatively constant. We vary the amount of fuel, and you see that the smoke amounts are very different between diesel fuel and microemulsified diesel. We achieve a relatively clean burn for any amounts of fuel, which is great, and we achieve cleanliness of burn similar to alcohols. By varying the quantity of surfactant and thus the quantity of microemulsified water, we can achieve the desired cleanliness of burn. Then we must watch the freezing of surfactant and the viscosity of the emulsion. So we choose the right surfactant and we choose the amount of water. The more water, the worse emulsifier, the denser the emulsion becomes. And the very, very, very important point here is, does the water help atomization and surface area of atomized fuel, or just supplies deficient oxygen? In other words, if it just supplies deficient oxygen, we have a very small contribution to the internal combustion engine. If it also helps atomization and surface area of the atomized fuel, we are doing great. And now the last question to be made is, for the ultrasound, check the effectiveness of ultrasound. Get 32 plus viscosity oil, shake for bubbles to appear. Shake with ultrasound, see if the bubbles disappear. In other words, do the bubbles become nano small? And that sums it up. I'll just adjust the 1 wick a little bit to get them even. Yeah, this way the flames seem to be about equal for the larger amount of fuel, and still you see how the diesel makes much more smoke. Even for a larger amount of microemulsified diesel, it even burns more than the small amount of diesel. Well, I guess that's it.